Louder.
Hey!
No, like hey, louder.
Oh.
Not man, idiot.
Hey!
It's
Ew,
the
I
Wolf
hated
Sisters.
that.
That was so like YouTuber like. The challenge today is whoever can put the most pieces of gum in their mouth. I think this one's actually good. I think I'm gonna actually get at least 5. But right now, I really feel like I'm that girl from Willy Wonka who's just like chewing gum
This piece of gum I'm chewing right at this moment, I've been working on for 3 months solid.
for months and doesn't ever take it
And
out.
got
first
first
piece.
line.
First piece. Wait, that's it's my pet peeve when people don't smack. It's like it irks me. This is Tina.
Okay, next one.
Second. Oh my god, Tina, this is too much.
I like select.
Third. We can go faster.
No, what the heck? Stop!
Oh, number 4!
Sorry.
You suck!
I didn't even do it.
Oh!
There's still hard pieces in it.
Yeah, mine too. It's a little chunky. For them girls, the big old and
I think, right? Yeah.
okay, 23rd. Just kidding. Upping gum can fix your breath. It's like.
Ew.
Six.
How is there crumbs coming from the gum?
Rice.
I'm so icy the haters will fight me.
Dino T.
Gangsta Tina.
Back at it again.
Okay, 7th one. 8.
I don't feel too good.
9. Rachel. I didn't even.
In America, you can't find it. That's all I gotta tell you. If live video that's wishing, you don't know what to do. Y'all be sad.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all be sad. I gotta put number 10 in. I never did.
No, it's not.
Hey, my breath will never stink. How about that?
Dude, like.
Hey, what to get mad with that thing? You know, guys, I had a dream I was a New Yorker, and I'm really trying to embrace this. So hey, I'm about to put the gun in my mouth. Do I sound like a New Yorker? Yeah, I do.
Well, the gun feels like a wubble bubble. Like when you. If you.
You're a little
Oh my
person.
god, I feel muscle. No,
Oh
I
my
feel
god!
just
Look
that.
how bulky I am! Oh my gosh! Number 14. The more I chew gum, the more sexy I sound. Hey, watch this. Alright, baby. I know I sound like myself. Yeah. I already played 15, right back. Oh, 16. Oh, I just sound so sexy, man. I sound so sexy. Oh my god! You gotta stop me! I got the gun! Whoa!
Savage. Savage Mo. Savage.
Oh my god. Dang, girl, you sexy. Girl, what's right there?
You're this.
36! You can't stop me! You can't stop me!
I just did.
37! I'm 28. 29! Yeah! Okay. 29! Whoa! Please subscribe! Please subscribe! Please! Reverse, please subscribe!